Welcome to my review of Notion, the versatile productivity tool that combines notes, tasks, databases, and project management into one clean interface. For those who haven't used Notion yet, it's an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and organize. It offers a wide range of customization options, which makes it adaptable for individuals and teams like .as. We take a closer look at the homepage. You can see that Notion's clean design immediately invites you to start working. The dashboard layout is minimal, and there are multiple templates available to help you get started quickly. Whether you're looking to track projects, manage a to-do list, or set personal goals, Notion has you covered. Navigating through the different sections is intuitive, thanks to its drag-and-drop functionality. You can easily create pages, organize your notes, and integrate them with databases or Kanban boards. This gives you the flexibility to customize how you work based on your needs. A notable feature is the ability to link different pages together, making it super easy to reference related content without leaving the current page. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These resources can help you explore even more ways to boost productivity with tools like Notion. One of my favorite features is the ability to collaborate in real time. Notion's sharing and permission options allow you to work with a team seamlessly. Whether you're building out a project plan or brainstorming ideas, you can easily invite others to contribute and edit in the same workspace. This is especially valuable for remote teams who need a central hub to keep everyone on the same page. For those who like to use Notion for more than just work, there are also options for personal use. Whether you're tracking habits, managing your personal finances, or organizing a travel itinerary, Notion offers templates and customization that let you adapt the tool to your personal needs. In terms of integrations, Notion allows you to connect with other tools like Google Drive, Figma, and Slack, making it even more powerful for teams using a variety of platforms. However, it does take a little getting used to if you're new to database style management, so be patient while you learn the ropes. In conclusion, Notion is an incredibly flexible and powerful tool for both personal and professional use. Its combination of organization, task management, and collaboration features makes it an excellent choice for those looking to streamline their workflows. If you're into customization and working with templates, you'll enjoy how versatile this tool can be. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this, and let me know in the comments if you tried Notion, or if you have any questions about the features I covered today.